The second thing is that you have wholesale minimums when you purchase. If I was to purchase these cups, guaranteed I can't just buy one. If I went to a retail store, I could buy one, right? But most places nowadays, if you're gonna buy cups for a business and you want to get good margins on them, I have to buy them wholesale, and I might have a minimum order of 1,000, let's say. The same thing goes for your business with food service. So what happens is a lot of times when people are starting from home is they end up in a situation where they don't have the demand yet to order their products from wholesalers, so they end up going to grocery stores. But when they go to grocery stores, the catch-22 is that they're losing the margin. So they don't become profitable enough to then keep reinvesting and growing their business. Now, this isn't always the case, and this is why it's important to do your menu costing so you really know exactly what your margins are. Because the last thing you want to do is be working hard, selling a lot of products, and then at the end of the month find out, wow, we've lost money, or we've just broken even and we're not profitable, right? You want to make it profitable. So the important thing to understand is, what are your margins? So this is one of the bigger challenges when it comes to working from home.